What's up, guys? I'm back. We got a lot to talk about. Hang around, hit that subscribe button, and we'll be right back. What's going on, guys? RT Off the Dome Media Group. I'm back. Didn't really leave. I had some things going on, including a move that I had to take care of, but that's done, and let's get started. There's a lot that I need to talk about, that we need to talk about. First on the list in this video, we're going to be talking about the Chicago drone ordinance. There's been some confusion with some subscribers or some commenters on some videos that I made. The last two videos, the last one was on Chicago bans. Was there a ban on drones? And the one before that was on the ordinance and when it passed and things of that nature. Well, I am here at the Dan Ryan, which is the expressway, headed downtown to go to the city clerk's office, the city clerk of Chicago, to confirm and find out what's going on with the Chicago drone ordinance. Is it in fact in effect in the city of Chicago? So I'm headed downtown. We're going to get that taken care of. We're going to confirm it. We're going to put this rumor that it doesn't exist to rest. So hang around. Here we go. What's up, guys? So we made it downtown. Pretty nice day down here, standing here next to the Picasso that's behind me. I don't know if you can see it. It's right there. But where I'm going is back here, which is City Hall. So anyway, we're going to go in. We're going to talk to them and see what we can come up with. So here we go. Oh, okay. Thanks. Get some information on the Chicago drone ordinance.
Who?
The Chicago drone ordinance.
Straight through those glass doors. All the city ordinance, they can tell you straight through those glass doors.
In that line?
Yes, that's the city council. But you don't get in line, just go straight in the door.
Oh, I can just walk. Okay.
Tell them what you want to know about the city ordinance.
Okay. All right. Thanks. Sorry about that.
Yes, sir.
Question about the ordinance, Chicago drone ordinance.
Okay, what,
Maybe
which
you
one
should
did you
know.
tell you your question?
Chicago drone ordinance.
Chicago,
Drone.
okay, we don't, I'm gonna give you the website.
There's nothing on it. That's what came down here.
Okay, and I'm gonna have to have somebody research that for you, our archivist. What is it that you need? How many did you need? Okay, here's a pen. Do you have a pen? I got one in there. 6. Okay, so thank you. I'm gonna give this to Miss Elizabeth Whitman. I'm gonna give you her phone number.
Okay.
And also her information. Oh, thank you. That way, this is her name, Elizabeth. Okay, take care, Arthur.
What's going on, guys? So, all right. So now, you see what happened with City Hall. I hope you can hear me. I'm obviously walking outside traffic. But the short answer is the ordinance was passed. It's on the books. It wasn't repealed. It didn't get voted down. I'll put a link in the description below. Again, it's on the City of Chicago site through the city clerk. This will be to continue when I hear back from Miss Elizabeth Whitman. What's going on, guys? Finally made it back to the car. Things didn't go exactly as I planned downtown at the city clerk's office. As expected, they didn't know readily what I was talking about. As you saw, I got referred twice, and ultimately I'm waiting for someone to call me back. Typical Chicago politics, it's not really important until something happens. You know, we had all the drone accidents and occurrences going on, so they were quick to roll out the proposal and get the law passed or the ordinance passed. But in typical Chicago fashion, they're not so quick to implement, even though it's been 3 years. no one seems to really have a handle on how it's implemented or who or what or where to go. But again, it did pass. It was not voted down. It's still on the city clerk site. It's still on the Chicago site. And I know a couple of viewers, or one of the viewers, mentioned a legal site that he wasn't able to find information, which it was there. So the ordinance is there again, and it was passed. It's just finding out how it's implemented. So again, the link to the city site is below. I will update this video as soon as I hear from the person that's supposed to be calling me from the clerk's office, and I will keep you guys posted as to what's going on. Until then, as always, fly safe. Enjoy life is short, and that's it. Peace.